So today we are going to see the concept folders and hierarchies. So what is folder and hierarchies? Actually, first of all, I want to say one thing. This is not at all a technical concept. Just it is a data maintaining concept. So whenever you have connected with some data, suppose I am connecting with my project data here. See, here automatically I got folders like this, customer folder, order folder, product folder like this. Actually, you won't get these folders by default. I have created these folders. Generally, why to make some folders in our system? Whenever you are having huge amount of files, you will maintain in a folder. Why? Because to access them easily. Suppose in our system, movies will be there. We will separate those movies into English movies one folder, Telugu movies one folder, Hindi movies one folder like that. Why? Because to access the movies very easily. Same thing here also, the data related to some related data will be saved in some folder. Suppose all the customer related dimensions in a customer folder, all the order related dimensions in order folder, all the product related dimensions in the product folder, so that you can access them very easily. Suppose if I want to get item, so you will get idea. So item in the sense it is related to product, so I have to check in the product folder like this. Generally, whenever you are connecting with data, you will get like this. Just I am removing these folders to explain the concept. Yes. Now, when you have connected with any data, you won't get folders by default. You will get all the fields like this only, in the alphabetic order like this. Now, you have to maintain your folders. So, this is not at all an important concept, but it shows your experience. If you are an experienced person, yes, you should know which fields to be in which folder, right? So it shows your experience. Whenever you are maintaining folders in your data now, then they will think, okay, he is somewhat experienced person, so he knows something like that. So now select some related fields and make them into some folder. Suppose I am going with category, department, item, supplier. All these are related to product things. That's why I'm maintaining here folder. Select what exactly the fields you want to maintain in your folder and right click over there and go with folder option, create folder option. Yes, I want to give its name as a product. Now see, here I got a folder. In that folder I am getting category, department, item and supplier. And container is also product related only. Now how to add this thing into my folder? Right click on the container, go to folder, add to folder is there. Yes, I want to add product folder. Yes. Now see the product, container is also moved into my product. Yes. Now I want to maintain all the customer related things in one folder. So continent, country, state, all these are customer related things. Now continent, customer name, customer segment, so mapping items, all the things. And I want to add a region also in a customer. So add to folder, create folder, go with create folder. Now give its name as a customer. Yes. And next order related things, order date, order priority, ship date and ship mode. All are I want to maintain in some other folder, order folder. Folders, create folder. order folder. Yes, like this I want to maintain. You can create folders on measures also. Don't think that only folders can be created on dimensions only. No, you can go with the measures also. Now I want to select customer ID and order ID. Right click, folder, create folder. For all the IDs, it is better to maintain one folder. So for that one, I am creating IDs. So whenever you want to deal with some IDs, simply you can go with this IDs folder so that you will have all the IDs in that folder. And this discount, sale, profit, shipping cost, unit price, product based margin, all are related to commercial, right? So I am maintaining a folder called commercial and I am keeping them in. Yes. Like this you can maintain folders on dimensions and measures too. This is not at all a technical concept. If you know this one, it will be better for your career. That's it. So you will know all these things by experience only. So you should get what exactly the fields that are related, what exactly the fields those are not related, how to maintain this hierarchy. You will get all these things whenever you are having a better understanding of your project. Clear? And now, what do you mean by hierarchy? Hierarchy in the sense, so if you go with here, see, mapping items, the symbol is there now. The symbol indicates a hierarchy. See, whenever I am taking country into my rows or columns, I am getting this plus symbol now. This plus symbol indicates that field is in a hierarchy. If you elaborate this one, yes, you will get state. If you elaborate state, you will get city. If you elaborate city, you will get a postal code. So first by default you are getting country. From country you are getting state, city and postal code. This is called hierarchy. Suppose I am removing this hierarchy here. Remove hierarchy. Yes. Now see, automatically the plus symbol is gone. Now you won't get the plus symbol. No, you can't elaborate this one. You will not get any states and cities from here. Why? Because that is not there in the hierarchy. So hierarchy in the sense only related things must be there. Country, state, city, like that. You should not go with the country, department to customer name in the hierarchy. Right? So you should go the only hierarchical related fields only in the hierarchy. Now select the fields which you want to maintain a hierarchy. Country, state, city and postal code. Right click, hierarchy, create hierarchy. Now give some name, mapping items. Click on OK. Yes. See, I got mapping items hierarchy here and observe carefully here the hierarchy is in the correct order. City, country, postal code, state, no. Country, state, city, postal code. This is the hierarchy. Now make just drag and drop state to the below of country and city the below of this state. Yes, now this is in the hierarchy. Now observe carefully. Yes, you got the plus symbol. That means it is in hierarchy. Now get it? Yes, state I am getting, city I am getting, postal code I am getting. Like this you can create some hierarchies based on your data. Like this I am having one more chance also here. So department contains categories, category contains items now, so that I can go with one more hierarchy here, department. Now take the department. You will not get any category by clicking on department. Why? Because that is not there in the dimension, this hierarchy. Now select the department, select the category, select the item, right click, go with hierarchy, create hierarchy. Now I am giving this hierarchy as a product. Yes. And see, the hierarchy is in the same manner now. No, department contains categories and then item. Yes, drag the category. Yes. Now take the department. Yes, I got the plus symbol so that you will get the category, so that you will get the items too. This is creating shrunken dimension. This is called shrunken dimension. Clear how to go with folders and hierarchy, and you can't go with hierarchies on the measures, please. You can't go with the hierarchies with the measures. You can go with hierarchies with the dimensions only. This is all about folders and hierarchies. Is it clear? Any more queries here?
No, sir. Clear.
So now let us go with a task now. See this task and understand the thing what I am going to do. I want to get a category wise sales in each continent, in the sorted manner. This is my task. Sir, very easy na sir. I want to get a continent wise category wise sale. I am taking continent and I am taking category and their respective sale. Yes. To get the differentiation, I am taking continent into color. Yes. Each continent is getting in different color. Yes. So now I want to get it in the sorted manner I told you. Sir, this is not in the sorted manner. Now we know how to perform sorting by using these shortcut keys. Click on the shortcut key, sort. Oh, is it in the sorting manner? No, decreased, increased, again decreased, decreased. No, this is not at all in the sorting manner. Let us go descending. Now also, no, decreased and increased. No, we are not getting in the sorted manner, boss. See, if you go with just continent wise sale, if you go with sort, yes, it is working properly. So with single dimension, the sort is working very fine. But whenever you are going with more than one dimension, the sorting is not working as we expected. Did you get this problem or not? Do you understand the problem first? This is my problem. I am not getting my visualization in the sorting manner whenever I am going with more than one dimension. Now what I have to do? Clear? For that one only, to solve this problem only, we are going to the next concept called as a sorting. The next concept we are going to see, sorting. So generally what do you mean by sorting? Arranging some values either into ascending order or descending order is called as sorting. So arranging the values into either ascending or descending order. is called as a sorting, right? So here in Tableau, you can perform sorting in 4 ways. The first one is based on data source order. And second one based on alphabetic order. And third one based on some field. And fourth one manual. Manually you can arrange the order. These are the 4 types of sortings we can perform in our Tableau. Data source order in the sense in which order in my database the data is existing, the same order it will follow. Suppose in my data first Europe is there, first Europe will be shown in my visualization. That is data source order. And alphabetic order in the sense based on alphabets. Suppose Asia, Africa is there. First Africa will come, then Asia, then Australia, then Europe. This is alphabetic order. Remember something, most of the time this data source order and alphabetic order both are same. Why? Because in the data source order also they will go with the alphabetic order only first. Both will be same most of the times. And field in the sense you can sort some items based on their measure values. Suppose I can sort the students based on their names and I can sort the students based on their marks also. So sorting based on their names are called as alphabetic order, and sorting them based on their marks is called as a by field, right? And manual in the sense I can arrange in my own way, right? I can arrange in my own way. Whoever I need in the top, I can go with that thing only, right? So now let us implement practically. Yes, first of all, let us go with the small example, continent wise, sale. Yes, actually these are the shortcut keys. Actually, this is not the way, this is the shortcut way. The traditional way is you have to go to the continent, go to sort. Yes. Now also it is in a sorting manner based on the names. See, Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe. Yes, it is in the sorted manner only. See, data source order. Both alphabetic and data source both are same. As it is ascending, first A is coming. If you go to descending, first South America is coming. Yes, North America, Europe, alphabetic order. No, no, sir. I don't want to get the sorted on names. I want to get the sorted report based on some field. What is that field says? Click on apply. Yes. Sale based చేసుకొని it is showing with the descending order. No, sir. I want to get in the ascending order. Yes. No, so the shortcut key is representing this by field option. That's it. And now, sir, I don't want to go with by field also. I want to go with manual, sir. I want to get Europe on the top, Asia in the least, Australia is last but one. Just I am dragging, and North America after Europe. Like this I want to maintain. Now click on apply. Yes. What exactly the order you have specified here? Europe, North America, Africa, South America, Australia and Asia. Yes, same thing you are getting here. This is manual sorting. These are the 4 ways we can perform sorting. Is it clear? Any queries over here? Got it?
Sir,
Yep, tell me.
if data source order and alphabetic order is the same, then why do we have two concepts?
Sometimes in the data source, they may have their own order. They won't follow the alphabetic order sometimes. But most of
Okay.
the times they will follow the alphabetic order.
Mm.
That's it.
Okay.
Right? So now let us move to our problem what we have faced in the previous task. Yes. Here I have faced the problem, right? I didn't get the sorted order. See here, you got sorted only on category here. See the symbol for the category, it is showing sorted symbol. But for content it is not showing. So let us go with the sorting the continent also. Go with sort descending by field. Click on apply. Click on OK. See, both are sorted. You are getting the symbol on both. But see, is it in the sorted manner? Decreased, increased, decreased, only increased. No. Then what is the solution? To solve this problem only, we are having a new concept here called as a combined field. Combined field, the name itself it is saying that you have to create a field by combining existing fields. See here in this example, you are performing sorting on continent and category individually. But you got the visualization based on the both continent and category. But then you have to sort at a time the continent and category. So what it is doing, it is performing sorting individually on both the fields. Now I want to perform sorting on these two fields at a time. For that what I have to do, I have to create a combined field by combining these two fields and I have to apply sorting on that field. Now how to create a combined field? So I want to create a combined field with the continent and category. Now first select the continent and the category. Right click, create. Yes, here is the option combined field. Yes. If you observe carefully, one field is created automatically here. See, let me show you. Yes, continent and category combined. This field is created. Now, I want to perform sorting on this field to get an accurate sorting report. For that one, I should take it into the visualization, either rows or columns. Now, from here, it is not going to show the sort option. For that, you have to take it to the column level. Where should I take? First or last or in the middle? Here, the logic is you have to place the combined field before the last dimension, or we can say the combined field must be the last but one field in the rows or columns. So that, yes, I am placing in the middle. See, with the effect of this one, your visualization became somewhat clumsy. Why? Because I don't want to see this thing in the visualization. I want to use this one for sorting only. Yes, first perform the sorting. Go with sort. I want to go with sort based on the field sales. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now see, everything is in sorted manner. You are not getting any fluctuations in the sorting manner. Everything is increasing order only. But my visualization became somewhat clumsy. I am getting the header of this particular thing also. No, I don't want to show that header. Just hide that header. Now see, it is clear, right? Continent wise, category wise sales in the sorted manner. This is called as a infer dimension. You have created one dimension and after your task you are not concentrating on that one. That's why it is called as infer dimension. Clear? Suppose now I am having three dimensions. Suppose I am getting continent wise, department wise, category wise sale. Now let me take the department into color so that you can find the difference. Yes. If you perform sorting anyway, it won't work. See, some are in the sorting manner only. But here it is not in the sorting manner. Here it is not in the sorting manner. Here also not in the sorting manner. So to get overall sorting manner, yes, you have to go for the combined field and you have to go for it. Now, I have to create a combined field based on three fields here, continent to, department to and category. Sir, can we combine more than two? Yes, you can combine 10 also, no problem at all. Now, create a combined field by combining continent, department and category. Select the continent, select the department, select the category, right click, create combined field. Yes, somewhere it will be, yes, continent, category and department combined field. Now you should take this one where it's not between the category and department, between the department and category. Why? Because the combined field must be the last but one dimension, or before the last dimension you have to place, yes. Now perform sorting on it. Go with by field based on the sales. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now see, each and everything is in the sorted manner, but go with hiding this combined field. Yes. So furniture category wise sale in Africa. Office supply category wise sale in Africa. Technology category wise sale in Africa. All are in ascending order only. If you go through all the data, everything is in a brilliantly in sorted manner. Is it clear? This is all about sorting. Let us see the next concept, image processing. Image processing in the sense, till now we have seen bars, circles, squares in our visualization. Now I want to see my own images in my visualization. How to? implement that thing. For that one, we are having a beautiful concept called as image processing. For that one, let me show you some images to you. So what are the images you want to show in the visualization? You have to keep them in your MyTableau repository. In MyTableau repository, you will have a folder called as shapes. In that shapes, I have downloaded some images here. AC, fan, laptop, PC, printer, TV, like that. Some images I have downloaded, and it is our responsibility to save them in the shapes folder of my Tableau repository. Keep it in your mind forever. Okay. So first, you have to download the desired images, download required images, and make them in a folder, save them in a folder, save them in a folder, and save that folder in a save that folder in a shapes folder of shapes folder of my Tableau repository. That is your responsibility first. What are the images you need? First you have to download them and you have to save them in a folder and save that folder in the shapes folder of my Tableau repository like this. Right, this is shapes folder and I am saving my products in the shapes folder of my Tableau repository. Now just I'm searching for the data. Yes, these are all the things we have. TV, AC, PC, laptop, fan, printer. Yes, this file only. Right, now I want to connect with this data and I want to create a report with the images. Now let me connect with this data once. That is an Excel file. I want to connect with eData on my desktop. Click on open. Now I am taking this image processing sheet. Yes, I got some 6 items. Go to my new sheet. Now I am taking product here. Now I am taking sale value here. Now here for the AC, I don't want to show like this. I want to see the image of that thing. For that one, see here, by default automatic it has taken ABC. Now I am going with the shape. Observe carefully all of you what I am doing here. See, whenever I have taken any dimension, by default you will get a automatic ABC. Now I don't want to get the text here, I want to get the image there. For that one, click on shape. See, all the products are getting the same shape, circles. Now I want to get each product with a different shape. For that, what I have to do? Suppose all the continents in same color. If I want to get different continent in different color, what I have done? I have dragged that continent into colors, right? Same thing here. Product, I am getting the same symbol for all. I want to get a different symbol for each thing. It means drag the product into shape. Yes, now see, each product is getting a different shape. Actually, I don't want to get this shape. I want to get some other shapes, what I have saved in my images. What are those? For that one, double click on shapes. By default, these are the items you have got selected. No, I don't want to get these items. For that, go to these folders. These are the shape containing folders. Yes, I am having a folder called as products. Yes. So for the first time, you won't get this folders products folder here. For that, what you have to do, reload shapes once. Then automatically it will show. You got my point? For the first time, if you load the new products into the shapes folder now, it won't be shown here. For that, what you have to do, just reload your shapes once so that that folder will existing here. Clear? Now, it's your responsibility to select the image accordingly, manually only. For AC, select the AC and select the AC symbol. For fan, select fan, fan symbol. Laptop, laptop. PC, PC. Printer, printer. TV, TV. Now click on apply. Now click on OK, yes. But I want to see more. For that one, go with fit height, yes. You can increase the size like this, and I want to increase the size of the image. Yes, like this I can increase. If I want to say the sale value of that particular thing, drag it in the label. Yes, I am getting AC 30,000, fan 6,000, laptop 24,500, PC, printer and TV. Like this I am getting the data with my own images. Suppose I don't want to see the names also. By seeing this only I can understand this is AC, this is fan, this is laptop, like that. Now for that one, go here and hide the header. Yes, it's good, right? So like this you can go with the image processing. Suppose you are having thousands of items in your data. Yes, based on the requirement of the client, you have to get the 1,000 images and you have to apply the images like this. Mostly client will provide the images for you. His own products now, it is his responsibility to provide the image of their own thing. You have to use them like this. Is it clear? Now let us go with one thing. If I am going with country report, here each country I am going with automatically with symbol dot. No sir, I want to get a shape. What is my shape? You know, for India I want to show India flag. For China I want to show China flag. Like that I want to show. These are also image processing concept. But here, drag the country into shape. Each country is getting different shape. Actually, I don't want to get these shapes. I want to get my flags. So I have saved some flags in my Tableau repository. I am going with that thing. Let me show you those flags. In the shapes, I am having one folder called flags. See, India flag, China flag, Russia flag, I'm having. Like this, if you want to download all the flags, you can download. Just I am showing some 3 flags. For that one, double click on the shape. I don't want to get these shapes. I want to go with the flags. So for India, select India. Yes, for India, select India. And for Russia, Russian Federation, select Russia. And for China, China. For Brazil, Brazil. Like that, click on apply, click on OK. Yes. If you observe carefully, you are getting like this. Go with size now. Yes. See here. I'm getting. Now, if you go with the filter on the country, if you want to see only China, yes, only China flag you are getting here in the China. Now you can increase the size. Yes. If you want to go with only India, click on India. Yes, India flag. Go with Brazil. Yes, in Brazil, I am getting Brazil flag. Like that, you can go with image processing. Russian Federation. Select China. Select India. Yes. If you want to decrease the size, you can decrease the size if that is. Yes, like this. Yes, like this you can go with the image processing in our tableau. You can go with our own images. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.